All right, guys, so we're going to go over the Unit 16 vocabulary. I'm going to go ahead and probably do it like in 3 parts so that the video doesn't get too large to upload. So this first part is going to be pages 105 through, we'll do through 108, okay? 105 through 108. This first page are kind of classifiers. They're ways to describe different patterns or objects and surfaces. So the very first sign they have would be like zigzags. So you've got that forehand shape, and then you would just show like the lines rather, of something. This next would be like polka dots or dots on something. The next sign there would be to show speckles, so really tiny, small dots, speckles. To show like a pattern. Okay, so you got that claw hand and kind of make circles, pattern. These are some signs that we went over Unit 8. And like I said, these are signs, but they're also classifiers. To show like vertical stripes, so going up and down, as opposed to like going back and forth, you could show. To show a thin stripe around something, okay, like a room, if it's just straight across, or up and down vertical stripes would be like this. Okay, you could just show if there's many of them or if there's just one of them, you would just show it, okay? Page 106, to show zigzags on something, to show twirls or spirals, okay? Describing different surfaces, so if you wanted to show something was bumpy, or to show that something had dips in it. Okay, that's that B hand shape. To show something's wavy, go up and down. And then to show something's just straight. Okay, so these ones are really easy. They make a lot of sense. To show that something's shiny. This is a sign for shiny. To show something's fuzzy. Okay, just rub your hand back and forth. For something to be soft. And then finally hard. The book shows hard. This would be like specifically a ball-shaped object. This is just the sign for like hard. So it's that scrunched V hand shape, hard. Okay? What things are made of, so different materials. This is on page 107. Firstly, you have wood. Okay, that B hand shape, wood. Metal is an X hand shape under your chin. Kind of brush it forward, metal. Plastic, they just show being fingerspelled. I've also seen plastic, like it's flexible, bendable. Rubber, we've learned that one already. Glass, the sign in the book is incorrect, or just not correct for this area. Glass, which I think we've done that one. Fabric, they show fabric, which I've never seen that before. I do fabric, so like grab your shirt and then like you're feeling the material, fabric. And then finally paper, which you guys already know. Okay, different ways to prepare food. So this is the sign for cook, you guys know that. The sign for boil, okay. To mash something. These signs make a lot of sense too because you just kind of do the action. So like you're mashing something. To poach something, just be fingerspelled. Bake. Like you got something in your hand and you're sliding it into the oven. Bake. To mix or to stir, act like you're holding the bowl and you just mix it. To chop. To dice. So dicing is cutting it up in small parts, so you go this way and then this way. Dice. To flip something. To fry something, you just fingerspell. To like grate cheese, okay? To pour something over something, like a liquid, okay? To pour on. The example they use there is syrup, but it could be any liquid. To sprinkle something on something, to act like you're sprinkling it on. To spread something, so you got that U hand shape, just kind of back and forth. So butter on toast or icing on something. To roll up. Like a taco or a burrito, roll it up. And then finally to spoon something in, so you just act like you're holding onto the spoon, scoop, and put it in. Okay? So we're gonna pause there, and then the next video we'll continue on with the vocab, okay?